Hi everyone, welcome to my studio. This is Lori with Fluid Artistry by Lori. I thought I'd try something different today, and I'm going to talk to you first before I get started because I'm using a different type of a painting board. I got some cradled art wood panels from Artist Loft, 8 by 8 inches. They're really nice. They've got some nice wood. I want to leave the sides wood, natural wood, below this top line here. So what I did was, as I prepared my board, I taped it in the bottom, put the push pins in it. The push pins will help when it's drying after the painting is done, because I'm going to actually be doing it on the turntable. And my turntable, it's just a cake spinner from Michael's too. I do most of everything at Michael's. But I put some paint sticks, taped them on, in order to make it easier to spin. So what we're going to use today for paints, might as well tell you that while I'm talking to you too, is I've got Valspar Satin Ultra White for my base. I've got DecoArt Sapphire, Deep Sapphire. Looks like it needs to be stirred a little more. Just mixed it up, this one. And Hot Cinnamon from Primary Elements. Lots of sparkle in these. Sunburst from Primary Elements. And DecoArt Americana Metallics 24 karat gold. Going more with the primary colors. I'm hoping to be able to see a little bit of orange and green and stuff and purple in between. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I've got black cell activator that I'm probably going to swipe with, and the white cell activator, which is Amsterdam's titanium white and Amsterdam's oxide black. I may put the white on top of the colors and then swipe with the black. That's my plan, at least for now. We'll see where it takes us as we go along. Okay? I will stop talking now, play some music, and we'll go from here. Enjoy the painting. results. I had to speed up the whole process for you a whole bunch because it would have been all day, and I don't think you would have had time for that. Anyway, I think it turned out pretty good. I'm not sure. Some of the black didn't hold together like I wanted it to, but I'm not sure why. I'll have to figure that out. I think it might have been a little bit too runny, but anyway. It was a lot of fun to play around with the paint today with this, I'll tell you that. There's so much detail. With the white and the negative space really gives your eye a place to rest, so I think it's got just the right balance, being that it's a smaller piece as well. I think it's pretty cool. Okay, well, thanks for hanging with me today. I'm glad you were here, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.